to explain, but basically what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need a jar, a jam jar, or any jar like this, and what you need is you're gonna need a flammable liquid like a methanol or ethanol, but I'm gonna just use water. And the most important part is you're gonna want to drill a centimeter or centimeter and a half hole on the top of the jar. If you make the hole too big, it won't work, or if you make it too small, it won't work.
That's what she said!
So after you drill the hole and you put all the flammable liquid in, you're gonna want to shake it around a bit so some of the fuel could turn into like fuel vapor. And once you do that, you want to grab a lighter and you want to light it from the top where the hole is. And after you light it, the flame should oscillate or basically go back and forth like what you saw in the video. And it's supposed to do this for a couple seconds until the jar breaks or it just stops. So basically I'm just gonna explain how it happens, like what causes the flame to oscillate. So yeah, so basically what happens is when you light this, the flame inside, it basically heats up so much and temperature is so hot that all the air inside is rushing out of the small little hole in front. But since it's a little hole, it's gonna cause like a lot of pressure and it's gonna create like a vacuum inside. And the air is escaping with so much speed that like some of the fuel vapor that evaporated is gonna be going out with it, and some of the flame too is gonna be going out with it. So they're gonna be coming out through this little hole, and it's gonna like go into the air surrounding the jar. And basically once the flame goes out, all the air surrounding it is gonna try to come back in the jar. And all the air that was surrounding it has some of the fuel vapor and some of the flame. So when the air rushes back in, it mixes in with all the leftover fuel like in here, and then it's basically gonna combust again because you have oxygen, fuel, and flame. So then the process is just gonna start all over again, and another flame is gonna be created, and the same thing is gonna happen. It's gonna happen over and over again, like every second. And basically that's how the jam jar rocket works. I don't even know what I'm talking about.